Hello guys, it's Ada here. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make charcoal scrub. So charcoal scrub is a scrub that you should learn how to make. This is a scrub that will help to get rid of impurities, hyperpigmentation, dark spots. This scrub will help smoothen out your skin. This scrub will also help brighten out your skin. In fact, this scrub helps to do a whole lot on your skin. So this is an effective scrub that you can make from the comfort of your home with few ingredients. So this is a scrub recipe you would want to know how to make, like I said, and make sure that you watch this video all the way through so that you can learn how to make this very effective and easy homemade scrub. So you're going to get your container, make sure it's clean. Then you put shea butter. I'm going to be adding turmeric oil. So you're going to mix this until nicely mixed. Make sure that the shea butter and the oil blends very well. Just take your time to mix. So these are emollients that helps to moisturize your skin. It helps to keep the skin hydrated. Then the next thing to go in is sugar. Sugar is a natural exfoliant, that will help to get rid of dead skin cells. So once you add the sugar, you're going to mix and mix thoroughly. The next thing to go in is turmeric powder, and next you add in your honey. So after adding your honey, you're going to add the charcoal. Then you're going to add any preferred body wash. So after adding all of this, you're going to mix and mix till everything is well incorporated. So this scrub can be used 2 times a week. And like I said, this is an effective scrub that you should learn how to make. And as you guys can see, our scrub is ready. You're going to be using this scrub like 2 times a week, preferably at night for best results. So this is easy and simple, and once you try it out, you're going to see amazing results. So this will help brighten your skin. It will help get rid of dead skin cells to reveal a brighter skin. So we are done making this. So this scrub is to be used twice a week on a wet skin. So make sure you use on a wet skin. Now here is how to use the scrub. The first thing you're going to do is to wet your skin. And remember that this scrub is only to be used on the body and not on the face. So make sure that your skin is very clean and wet. So you get the scrub like so. Then you gently scrub in a circular motion. Just take your time, gently scrub in a circular motion. So as you scrub, it's going to help to get rid of dead skin cells. And remember, I said this is to be used twice a week on the skin and not on your face. So make sure you gently scrub. Don't be hard on yourself, don't be hard on your skin. It's a gentle process. Like so. So this is an effective scrub that you should make, and you're going to see a difference on your skin. So this is an easy homemade scrub that is very effective, and that will give you that result you need. So as you guys can see, I'm done scrubbing, and you're going to use water to gently wash it off. So once you wash it off, on a damp skin, the next thing you're going to do is just to moisturize your skin. And remember, I said this should be used on your skin twice a week. So this is how to make an effective scrub that will help to get rid of dead skin cells and that will help to brighten your skin as well. As you guys can see, my skin is bright, and yeah, that is how to come up with this charcoal scrub that will help to brighten up your skin and get rid of impurities. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye.